To make our hat, we need some white acrylic paint, 2 sheets of paper, scissors, a paintbrush, a tissue paper, a colored pencil, a white colored pencil because we're going to write on a black sheet of paper, right? So let's keep this back here, and we also need some water. So come on, let's start making it. Now let's cut our sheet of paper like this. We're going to save these pieces for later. So now let's draw our hat. It's going to be 2D right now when we're done drawing it. Let's cut it out. Let's keep this hat on this paper and let's trace it. Now let's cut it out. We have these hats for the front side and the back side. Let's draw a skeleton on the front side on one of these, and we'll paint the skeleton with white paint. Now we have to fold these stripes in half. Now with the help of these 2 stripes, let's glue these 2 stripes over here and then put this and glue it over here as well. Here you go. It's ready. Now I can wear it. Neato burrito. Arg! Friends, if you enjoyed my video, then please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button with more fun ideas and